And this is DIY, Mr. Do-It-Yourself. This is like a hardware store where you can buy, here's adhesives and knives and wrenches and sockets and more sockets and wire brushes and hacksaws, and it just goes on, and screws and bolts and washers and hose clamps and brackets and plumbing and painting and household and shoes, locks and chains and hats and Allen wrenches and scrapers and all kinds of stuff. So that was upstairs, Mr. DIY, and they're all over Thailand, big chain. This is Dano, over and out.